Hello Pisces, welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver timeless energy reading. Reminder that this is a general energy reading. Also, I've pre-shuffled and meditated on your energy, Pisces, focusing on your mind, body, and spirit. And so for today, I'll be using tarot, I'll be using oracles, which this one is the law of attraction. And I'll be using a pendulum to check on your chakras or your auras, however you recognize it more. Also, I don't reach out to anybody, so I would hope that you would reach out to me if you were interested in a personal reading. With that said, I'll move on to your energy. Thank you so much for being here. So, I got the Hermit, the Four of Cups, and the Eight of Cups. So a lot of emotion here. So the Hermit, this is a major arcana. This is an energy that will send ripples onto other emotions, or kind of energy that is here to stay and make a difference in some shape or form. And so the Hermit to me speaks about going within, really really understanding the path that you're taking, and not obviously in an easy way. It's something that we have to do on our own, basically, like our own discernments. You know what? But the feeling that I'm really getting here is to walk in silence for some time. I see you here retrieving emotionally, retrieving from emotional involvement. The Four speaks about structure, stability, manifestation, right? And here it's like in an emotional state. So I think that you're probably retrieving and going within yourself and doing that work that you need to do in order to not only help yourself but help others. The Hermit is one to shed the light not only on himself but others when the time is appropriate or when he's mostly needed. He's very wise. So, and it's a mature man, you know, so that masculine energy. So, you know, speaking of energies, when it comes to masculinity, I think it's very active. It's harder. It's external energy. It's dominant in some shape or form. It's left brain. So yes, it's more a providing kind of energy, right? So with that said, I think that that's kind of like where you're heading, Pisces. I see you here definitely walking away for maybe evaluating how you process your emotions. I also feel that something might really have you really pull your energy, maybe even during eclipse season, because there's an eclipse here, which is on the 14th of October. We're having an eclipse. So maybe in this, obviously it's within this, I know this is a timeless reading, but if you do get it during eclipse season, it's for a reason. I think that you really do need to evaluate and really go within. Be very mindful of your emotions and where it takes you. And again, what is it that you're wanting to have stable and to manifest, and you know, really evaluate and ground yourself and always be from a place of love no matter what. So with that said, I will be shuffling an oracle card to see what you are attracting. Oops, sorry, I moved my camera. Oh. Grounding. I wanted to show you the picture. Grounding. I center and ground myself despite emotional upset around me. Kind of relates to that. So just be mindful. Just ground yourself. Don't react. Really go within. So, yes. Now with that said, I'm going to move on to your chakras. See what we need to bring in balance. How can we honor your auras? What do you need to pay a little bit more attention to when it comes to yourself? Okay, it's going sideways for me very strongly, pointing at our base chakra and our crown chakra. Am I right? I think I'm gonna have to use my left hand so you guys can see. Yes. Okay. So, base chakra is grounding, again, very grounding, so same message. And it speaks to connection to earth. Be more outside, plant, be in your garden, clean your yard. I know maybe leaves are starting to fall. Grounding, stability, it's balance, it's trusting self, it's physical health, it's nourishment, it's strength, family, it's roots, it's security, survival, prosperity. It's where your base chakra really focuses on. So eat a lot of red, wear the color red, that can help. Crown chakra, it speaks to the connection to the universe. Be more spiritual. Focus on your spirituality, awareness, consciousness. It's your wisdom, meaning, your inner joy. It's peace, is wholeness. It's what makes you feel that. So it's the color purple. So again, eat a lot of purple fruits and veggies. Wear the color purple. Meditate on these colors, and that could hopefully help you be in a better place, Pisces. I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for your time and patience, and I hope to see you guys soon, speak to you guys soon. So yes, I'll talk to you guys. Ciao.